Alright, a quick little video here to make sure all of you know how to get yourself logged into the Google Meet for attendance purposes. So if you have had me in other classes before, you know how to do this. Nothing will change. But if you are only in my maybe Apex class or study hall and have not used this process before, this is the way that you'll get yourself logged in. So no matter what class that you're in, um, you can find this in your courses. The link is all the same. So I'll just take the study hall class here. And again, no matter what class you log in, you'll see this same PowerPoint presentation here, our Google Slides presentation, and that's the link that you click will take you right into the Meet. Also some other information as part of this slide. There's a class meet schedule every day. You can see what time that you're scheduled to meet. There's the Friday schedule, and then some of the expectations that we have gone over. And again, if you are in study hall or you are in homeroom, we are expected to meet every day. So that is something we'll do. My attendance is going to be taken through that Google Meet, so it'll be logging on and checking in, and that would be the process. So click on your class, find that PowerPoint. It'll be the same in all classes. The link is all the same, so it doesn't matter which one. If you're in multiple classes, which one you use, it'll all take you to the same place. All right. We'll see you on Monday.